Luke asked, can I integrate external APIs into my Adalo projects? The answer is yes, and I have an example app here where I implemented two external APIs to show you. The first one is a GIFs app, let's say, and it implements the Giphy API. So here we have a list of GIFs coming from this API, and if we click on any card we want, we can see the GIF being played here. We also have URL to the website, and we can just open up any GIF we want. So cool, right? And the other example is a TV shows app, which implements the TV Maze API. And if you click here, we get a list of TV shows coming from that API. If you click on one card, we get the details of that TV show. So Hell's Kitchen, for example, the category it belongs to, and a link to the TV Maze website. Now I'm going to quickly show you how you can integrate an external API with Adalo. So let's just close the previewer here and open up the database tab. Right here you can see we have external collections, trending GIFs and TV shows. Those are both related to the pages I've just shown you. But you only have these external collections enabled if you are paying the Pro version of Adalo. It's not enabled in the free version. So let's just edit the trending GIFs so you can see how it works. Add settings, and when you create a new API or a new external collection, this is the page you're gonna find first. The name and URL is the first step. So here I named this collection Trending GIFs, and I put the API base URL, which is documented in the Giphy API, and this is the base URL of this API. And here I have the auth set up, and I just configured the query params for API key, limit, and rating. And keep in mind, every API is gonna be different, so you have to check their documentation to see what you're gonna have to set up in the auth setup and what is the API base URL. Then you can click next, and you go to the endpoints. So you also gonna have to check the API's documentation to see what are the endpoints available by that API. So here we get all, get one, create, update, and delete. This being by the Giphy API, right? So after setting the endpoints, we can go to next and test the connection. Run test. And what Adalo is gonna do is it's gonna use one of those endpoints to test if the API is working or if your connection, your setup is working. So here we have a test being successful. And here's the data returned by that API call. Doing that and having a successful test, you can just save the collection, which I'm not gonna do because I already have it saved, right? But that's it. So very simple, right? If you have any questions, leave in the comments below. And if the video was useful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next ones.